Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the right tools and making immediate musical choices. Install a DAW and set the sample rate, then load 3 core sounds, a lead, pad, and bass, so you can hear the palette. Once done, pick BPM and key to constrain decisions and sketch a tight 4/8-bar loop that captures the vibe. Do this now so you can iterate. You want a playable loop that reveals arrangement possibilities and lets you focus on sound design rather than endless setup. Once your loop exists, deepen the sounds and structure the track. Sculpt the lead with oscillators, distortion, and a filter sweep, then automate cutoff and modulation to add motion. Make a bass with a sublayer and set sidechain compression to the kick so the low end breathes. Low pass at 24 dB helps it sit. Next, map arrangement sections, intro, build, drop, and variation, and use risers, reverse reverb, and automation for transitions so the track moves like a story. Finish by mixing and preparing for release. You want clarity and impact. High pass everything except bass, set static faders before creative moves, and bus drums with light compression for glue. On mastering, use multi-band EQ and gentle limiting. Leave around -6 dB headroom before final limiter so peaks remain controlled. If problems arise, troubleshoot. Check phase on layered sounds. Sweep and cut between 200 and 800 Hz to remove mud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.